Hello everyone, this is page 8 of the Mel Bay Grade One series. So let's get started. This is first string etude up top here. What I want you to do first though, if you're a beginner, get comfortable. Well, before that, tune your guitar. Second, get comfortable with your hand, preferably behind the second fret is what I do, is where you keep your thumb. So basically you want to be able to just put your first finger down and it lands on the first fret. Where you put it is right behind the fret. So if your thumb is way up here, it's going to land here and your third finger is going to land in a bad spot. So I'd say keep it as much as you can to the second fret in the middle here. Open, first fret, third fret. We're going to be doing E, F, and G. E, open. F, first fret, first finger. G, third fret, third finger. Try to keep using the same fingers. Try not to move your hand around. Don't go, first finger for everything or middle finger for here. And that, just open, first, third. Keep it very simple for yourself and this will go a lot smoother. Okay, so let's check this out. First string etude goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, E, E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, half note, F, F, G, G, E, E. Okay? Let's go on to etude number 2. All right, so E, F, G, E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, did you get that? All right, the mix master. This one's a little funny because here you have, well, it's a mix of everything. So you got G as a whole note. A whole note takes 4 beats, so it takes up the whole measure here, 4/4 time, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 half notes in the second measure, F, 1, 2, F, 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 E quarter notes, 1, 2, 3, 4. G, 4 beats. And now here you can see you have a rest. So this rest right here, it's only one rest in the whole measure. So this will get 4 beats. 1. Oh, I'm sorry. It's a half rest. You have a half note here, F, and 2 beats here. So it's only going to be a half rest. So you have 1, 2. I couldn't see that well from where I was at. 3, 4. So there's your 4 beats right there. Here you have a quarter rest. So 1, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. So each rest here gets 1 beat if it's a quarter rest. A whole note, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 1 rest here. If you have 4 beats per measure, it's going to be a quarter note, right? Because every measure gets 4 beats if you're in 4/4 timing. Fix this chord. Okay, off to the races. Let's try the mix master. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, rest. 2, 1, 2, 3. rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. Okay. And all you do for a rest, like I was showing you in the last video, just stop the sound. That's all you do. So if you're going a half rest, like right here, you do 1, 2, 3, 4. If you keep it ringing, 2, 3, that's a whole note. 1, 2. If you let off your finger, you're doing a pull off basically. So you want to just stop the sound, and that'll be good enough. This part of the page, notes on the first string, you're just filling in the notes here. I'm not going to give you an answer. If you have the book, you'll be able to figure it out. So hopefully you got this, and message me or comment below if you have any other questions. All right, have a good one.